What's up, guys? Back with another video here. Jesse got more car parts for the Supra.
Something came in the mail today.
Hey, do you know what it is?
These nuts. Oh, man. I ordered a few parts. I'm not really sure what this one is.
Yeah.
It sounds like something metal's in there. I don't know if you guys can hear it.
Jesse's got a sick way of opening up his car parts. Check this out. Damn! Look at that.
Let's see what we got. It's a box.
Not
This is gonna look so good, man.
This box gonna look sick. Oh, you forgot the flip thing, man, right before you cut that.
Oh, I already did it.
To do it twice. Alright. Damn. Put it down. Just like...
You got to. So you close it.
Right. What can it be?
A bunch of bubble wrap. Yeah.
Oh.
Alright. It's my downpipe.
Damn.
So little.
Yeah, it's really little.
Get that.
It's nice.
Decent. Alright, so this removes the first cat after the second turbo. And then I'm going to get custom mid-pipe made in a few weeks here.
Nice. You can add it to your Supra stash.
Ridiculous Supra stash.
Woo. He's got half his car sitting in his basement.
And the seat's over there.
Oh yeah, and these Canards. People haven't seen the Canards yet.
True.
Damn. So look.
Alluded to these last video.
We're going to be putting these on today.
Gotta get some hardware first.
This is the last time the bumper is going to be this. Not aggressive.
Not aggressive. Alright, so we gotta line them up like that. It's gonna be tough to line up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we noticed this car has some plasti dip on it.
Apparently this car used to be dipped white, so if anybody wants to buy a Supra, I'm selling one.
We have to sell it now because it's been dipped.
That's it, man. It's part of the car's history.
Remember, say no to dipping. But yeah, look at this. Good thing there's a new lip coming in too, eh?
Yeah, this thing has been chewed up.
That's part of the low life.
It's not even low.
Yeah, I know, that's the thing. That's
Previous
the thing.
owner must have just not known how to drive.
Yeah.
Damn.
Rally Supra. Yeah, Jesse's Forza setup's pretty sick. Not even using the seats though.
Does it look pretty similar to this?
Yeah, so he built his own car. Yeah, here's an update for what's coming later.
Alright.
Cool. And we realized Recaro backwards is O-Racer. Which
So
we were
then
like, damn.
We googled who created Recaro, and it doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, it doesn't nothing to do with
Sorry to
O-Racer.
get you guys
so.
hopes up.
Oh, Lysol wipes.
Lysol livery. Damn. It's been a while since I've been here.
Yeah. See how the headlights look? The new and improved headlights.
I'll open the hood.
Should we open the hood? Popped. Damn. Two J's, by the way, and if you new guys.
For anybody that doesn't know.
Yeah, looks sick. Looks pretty aggressive.
Sick. Man, I can't wait to get back in this thing.
It's like you're in a spaceship.
Hasn't moved in months. There's Lysol wipes everywhere.
Fapkins, and Jesse visits here every week.
I gotta sit in it.
Used to get the full summer feels.
One day, Supra, I promise I'll take you out again.
At Home Depot, gonna get some hardware now. Yo, put that Canard on the elevator.
We get here faster.
It's gonna be awkward if someone's in here. Let's find out. Oh, we're here. We're at this again.
Yeah, son of a bitch.
I hate looking for good bolts. So that's what we're using.
Should be good. Let's get washers too.
It's pretty minked. And the Wingnut.
Pandora.
We have it up here, or like lower down.
No, it kind of looks whack with this section here.
So they're kind of like.
Yeah, honestly, I'd say like right in line with this.
Okay.
So the plan is just to line one of them up, and then mark it with a Sharpie, and then line the other one up, and then install one of them, and then install
drill
the other
through.
one. Yep.
Minked.
That actually looks really good.
Yeah, that looks like the perfect spot. So.
You want to mark that with a Sharpie?
Sure. Here, why don't you guys do it? Everyone reach your hand out.
It's fucking dumb. Word.
It's drill time.
Slim Jesus style.
Putting the nut on.
It's really difficult from this angle.
Then this one up here.
There's no washer there. It's all good. Just holding it.
Nice. That looks so sick. Minked. Shot of the drill marks.
All the holes lined up. Alright. It's drill time, baby.
Getting them through. Sweet. And then the washers. All kinds of nuts. Look at that line. So that's all it really is. Let's see how it looks. It's on there. Pretty sturdy too, eh? Sick.
Get a shot of the bolts underneath.
Yeah. All the way through.
Nice.
These butterfly nuts are a really good idea. Next side. All dotted up. Bolts all the way through. Tightening them up. Grand reveal. What do you think? You stoked? Look how aggressive this thing looks. Ooh. Yeah, the winglets aren't on yet, but we just put them on. See how it'll look. Look at this.
Straight time attack.
Yeah, time attack.
Supra.
Those are rivets. Woo!
We gotta do the whole thing again.